Does your pantry look like this? Keep watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to Hampton, your house, where we're all about bringing the coastal Hamptons vibe to your house with DIYs, tips and tricks. My name is Belle and I would absolutely love for you to stick around and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. And don't forget to check out all my other fun projects when you finish watching this one for more ideas on how to Hampton your house. Well, you just saw the footage of my pantry and I have to say it was nice and organised about 2 years ago. But with a busy family, my hubby and my 3 boys and a YouTube channel on the go, it had just started looking worse and worse lately. One of the ways we can start creating those Hamptons holiday vibes in our own homes is by setting up easy systems for all of our stuff so it makes it simple to keep everything put away and looking uncluttered, neat and tidy, or at least as much as possible. Now this is definitely a bit of a journey and we won't get everything all sorted out overnight, but we've got to start somewhere, right? We're starting right here, right now with the pantry, so go and open your pantry door and let's do this together. First, I'm removing everything so I can clean the shelves and the floor. I decided to do this pretty much one shelf at a time, which worked really well. I think for me, if I had pulled absolutely everything out all at once, it might have been a little bit overwhelming. I also had quite a few things in the bottom of my pantry that almost never got used, so I started a pile of things to sell or donate. Give your pantry a really good clean once the shelves are empty. For any super tough or disgusting stains, try using baby wipes, they work like a charm. Then you can put a few things back in to try out the spacing, putting the things you don't use often in the far corners and the things that you use all the time in the most accessible spots. A great way to organise your pantry is to get containers or bins to put everything into in categories. If you have the space, empty packets out of their boxes and into the bins. Small tins can fit sideways in these awesome bins I got from Cheap as Chips. This is a good chance to go through your platters and decide if there are any you don't need anymore, like this cool art school experiment, which I've never used. A great tip is to use pegs on half-used packets. It's much easier than twist ties. If you wanted to, you could put all of your pasta, etc. in jars, but with all the different shapes and types, I think for me at least it's more functional to just put pegs on the bags. On to the next shelf, which is a bit of a disaster. I've bought a few new organising baskets. This is a small one from the reject shop. And it wouldn't be an Australian pantry without Vegemite. Here's another organising bin. This one is the medium size. My school snacks bin needed to be a bit bigger, but you may have to rearrange things a few times until you find the right spots for everything. Now got a basket for all my sauces and oils. They look so much better now and this will help me to keep track of what I actually have. can totally get Pinterest perfect jars for your baking goods, but I'm sticking with my plastic containers for now. They stack easily and I find them really functional. I created some labels using black cardboard and a whiteout pen. If you want a specific look for your lettering, try copying the letters from a font you like on the computer. Not only do labels look organised and pretty, but they will also help the other members of your family to know exactly where everything goes without needing to ask you. Here we have the before and after. It's not perfect, but it's a lot more functional than it was before, and that's really all we need. I hope you've been decluttering and organising your stuff along with me. And if not, maybe you want to hit play again, because let's face it, it's way more motivating when you feel like you have someone working along with you. And if organising the whole pantry seems too overwhelming, try just setting yourself a timer for 2 minutes and see if you can find 10 things that you need to get rid of or 10 things that you can put back in their right place as fast as you can. And you might be surprised by how much of a difference you can make in just a couple of minutes. Well guys, thanks for joining me again today. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Hampton Your House. And I'll see you again very soon in my next video. Bye.